Hello, my name's Electra, the Technology Butterfly, and today I'm going to be teaching the kids and adults to learn how to take good photos on your very well done phone. And look at this. See, you need phones like this that has like that up at the top, okay? See that? If you're lost, you click on this, or you click on that, or you click on this to go back. Okay, grown-ups? Now, see that photo button? We all have different colours, so whenever you need to take a photo, just push this one that has a round like a just phone, okay? And if you want to take a photo of yourself, you just push this. Then it'll turn your face on. Alright? See this beautiful love heart, grown-ups? I'm going to focus it. Now I'm going to take a photo. So thank you for watching my video. And look at this, Mummy's flat tire. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my videos. And thank you all for watching Electra, the Technology Butterfly.